is laziness. It's laziness. Buckle up, somebody. Buckle up, buckle up, buckle up, buckle up. Buckle up. Come on, buckle up. There is no free lunch. Life is not cheap. Are you hearing me? Life is not what? No, it's not. It's not cheap. No food for lazy people. Are you getting me? If you are now working hard and it's still bringing hard life, it's either you are not obeying the scriptural principle of prosperity. Some don't pay tithe, some don't give offering. And every time some are giving, they see it as liability. Come out of that class. Come out of it. Give purposefully. Give with intention that God asks you to give. That this is a seed I'm sowing. I must get back. Don't forget to put something in the hand of your prophet.